Hi guys, this is James. So on the 3rd of January 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern, Monarch is launching. And I've got a quick demo as well as a walkthrough of Monarch. Now, if you decide to get it, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall pick up when you get Monarch through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications so that you get these kind of informative videos in future. So now let's head on over and have a look at Monarch.
Guys, what we found on Facebook servers will shock you. We recently discovered a Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day once you scale it up. This new app is controversial, but 100% legal. And what we are about to show you is the exact same strategy affiliate millionaires are using today to make millions of dollars in affiliate commissions. I know millions sounds too big, but it's a fact. I'm not making this up, guys. Guys, welcome to Monarch, the simple but powerful website app responsible to help you make the most out of that Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 4 easy steps, which takes you just minutes to apply. Sounds good? Then let's do this. Step 1. Find your profit. The first step of this Facebook loophole discovery is to go where the money is. Guys, this is Monarch's Profit Finder, the fastest and easiest Clickbank product research tool online. And here's where you will find your profit. With this tool, you will easily find the perfect affiliate product to promote, products which have brought millions of dollars in affiliate commissions throughout the years and are still doing so even today. Monarch's Profit Finder will find you everything you need from selecting the highest converting Clickbank product, as well as accessing all the tools you need to promote and profit as much money as you want from it from any Clickbank product of your choice. Step 2, build your bridge page. The second step of this Facebook loophole is to create a bridge page, but not a fancy and complicated bridge page. You'll need a simple but high converting bridge page. You will be impressed how simple these bridge pages look, but at the same time, it is frustrating how hard and expensive it can become to build them nowadays if you don't work with the right tools. With the Monarch's Builder, you will be able to quickly create practically any type of website for any purpose you want. The profit potential of these websites is huge, guys. And we have also included a few special templates you can easily customize with a few clicks to create a high-converting bridge page which is proven to generate millions of dollars in Clickbank affiliate commissions, even today. What's more, we have also created a premium custom domain integration where you will be able to add your own domains for your websites with the capability of getting your site verified for Google AdSense as well as for other third-party tracking platforms like Facebook. Step 3. Set up your tracking. The third step of this Facebook loophole is tracking. Yes, guys, tracking is key in this. One of the most profitable digital marketing strategies nowadays is having the ability to know exactly where the people who make profitable actions on your website are coming from, so you can plan to send even more people with the exact same interests back to your website. And this is something absolutely possible thanks to tracking. We have developed a basic but highly useful tracker here inside Monarch. This tracker will help you control and see in a very simple but effective way where people visiting your website are coming from. But if you would like to take tracking to the next level, thanks to the premium custom domain integration we implemented inside Monarch's website builder, you will be able to add tracking code in the header section of your website, which is specially for Facebook tracking. Step 4, send traffic to your bridge page. Finally, guys, the fourth step of this Facebook loophole is sending the right type of traffic to your bridge page. And thanks to tracking, you will be able to discover that right type of traffic in real time by using the right tools. Guys, the shocking part about all of this affiliate money being made in Clickbank is the fact that the traffic source which generates profit the most comes from Facebook. Yes, guys, Facebook is not just a social media platform. It is the largest digital community of people who share all kinds of interests and needs, and Facebook has used technology to be able to organize all those millions of people in audiences, and also has created all kinds of awesome tools for you to make money by offering a real solution to their problems. Guys, we went even further and decided to implement an outstanding Facebook traffic engine, which will save you a ton of the work involved by posting to Facebook the traditional way. Monarch gives you 7 different types of posts you can create to post to your Facebook pages and groups at the same time and be able to schedule them as well. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Lots more awesome stuff inside Monarch, but I can't show them all in this short video. Inside Monarch, you will find the VIP training area where we will show you over our shoulder how to make money with Monarch the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you would like to discover for yourself this Facebook loophole, which can pay you not only $569.72, but even thousands of dollars per day, then try Monarch today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Okay, guys, we are on the sales page of Monarch, and I wanted to go through this sales page and remove the hype from the reality. So let's start off with the statement here, which is this new app is controversial but 100% legal. Now, if you have gone through the demo, you'll find that there is nothing really controversial at all. It is 100% legal. So this is a hype that I think should not be there. So that's what I do not like. First thing about Monarch, the hype that they have put on this sales page. So whether you can make $569.72 per day is basically dependent on the effort that you put in. As you saw from the demo, you have to copy and paste that special link, which is basically the affiliate link of the Clickbank product that you're going to promote. So nothing controversial about that. And they have shown you the different ways that you can promote using not just videos or static posts, but also carousel posts and other media on Facebook itself. Now, the good thing is I like that all the tools are provided. As you saw from the demo, there is no product that you need to create. You don't need an email list. And also, as you saw from the demo, there are no ads that you need to buy. You are just using free promotions to get sales. So yes, this is genuine, that there is zero hard work. There is no really hard work, but you need to put the effort in as well. You need to go through the system and find the products that are the winners that they recommend and copy the link and paste it. And the more you paste, the more chances or probability that you will make money. And I just want to warn you guys, this is not at all true. It is not a 365-day money-back guarantee. This is a typo. It is only 180 days. So make sure that you get that right. So test it out within 180 days, or even better, within 30 days. Get going with this system and decide if it works for you. Now, they also claim that they will pay you $300 if you fail. Now, this is not totally accurate. It is not $300, but $250. So here is the actual money back guarantee that they have listed. It is 180 days. And the price is only $17 one time. Now, when you go to the sales page, you'll find that there are some reviews and testimonials here, but looking at the images here, they look like either stock or AI generated images. So I'm not too sure how genuine these testimonials are. And this product is by Venkata Ramana. Now, as you read through this sales page, they frequently mention a loophole in Facebook. And as you read through this, you can't discover what exactly that loophole is. We don't know how changing the name to Meta is actually creating a loophole, but whatever it is, just put it to use, guys. Just test it out if you wish to. Especially if you're getting into making money online in 2022, if that's what you want to do, then this is a low risk, low expense way, low outlay method of getting into the make money online niche and testing the waters. So as you also saw from the demo, that there is no spamming of social media because you are only using Facebook. You are not going to message any strangers. There are no forum postings at all. Definitely no using of solo ads or even email marketing. Now, in case you didn't catch what was stated in the demo, they have step-by-step training as well. So that's going to be useful to maximize the potential of Monarch. and make as much money as possible. And they also have free support, which is 24/7. So that's great. So this is something else that you may have missed out from the demo. You don't need any hosting at all because it's hosted by Monarch, but you can use your own domains if you wish. Otherwise, just use the domain that or the subdomain that Monarch is providing you. There are no funnel builders that are required or even autoresponders. All right, guys. So there are some nice bonuses that Venkata Ramana is giving off during this launch period. Bonus number one is 15,000 in 7 days with Done For You kit. Bonus number two is how to achieve $300 per day with that special accelerator. Bonus number three is the free traffic machine. Bonus number four is the online store weird and profitable niches. Bonus number five is 3K in 24 hours blueprint. And there is a surprise bonus for the first 100 buyers. You get the 1 minute money atomic upgrade, where you can make up to $200 to $300 per day. Now, guys, Monarch comes with several upgrades as well. After you picked up the front end, you have the Monarch Unlimited as the first OTO going for $47. Monarch Done For You is OTO 2, priced at $197. Monarch Automation is OTO 3, also going for $47 one time. Monarch 1 Hour Profits is OTO 5, going for $47. And Monarch Overnight Traffic is OTO 5, going for $97. And finally is Monarch Reseller, which is OTO 6, priced at $47. So there you go, guys. I hope that quick review of Monarch has been helpful to help you decide if this is the tool that you wish to use to make money online in 2022. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And once again, if you do intend to pick up Monarch, check out the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall get from me when you pick up Monarch through my link. And enjoy Monarch.